sila dito. Nice. Myeongdong. Anong hotel? First day, nagpicture sila with autumn leaves. Second day with snow and autumn leaves. Pwede nang mix. Galing nila tumayo nila. Open na rin ang mga ski slope kung gusto nilang mag-snowboard or skiing. Guest house. That's so cold. Super bundle up na ngayon. Di sila prepared sa lamig. Kala nila autumn lang maabutan. Bukas -1 na. Malamig this week. Where are you going this early? We're going to the cinema. Gigising ng maaga for snow and cinema. Nanood tayo ng Anora. Sa Konkuk University Cinema. Doon kasi may English subtitles. Cinema ang nag-breakfast naman ako. I had pork adobo and mushrooms for breakfast. Lunch after movie, and then my shooting tonight. Shooting under the snow, summer scene. Nasa UP kami nung Sunday. Nakita ko UPFC. Sabi ko kay Alvin, dyan kami nanonood ni Jets pag walang class. Sakto may French film. Free admission. I remember the days. So nanood kayo ng French film? Pero di kami nakapanood. Ay, kasama ko si Mira. Okay. Mahirap yung lady. Ayun, may may ginkgo leaves kayo. May konti pang ginkgo leaves. Autumn pa nga, it's still autumn. But it's snowing. It's autumn and winter at the